Got this gas tank off a Honda 1974. It's a XL100. It's in real good shape. Paint's kind of messed up on this side, and it's extremely rusty inside, so we're going to show you how to do a little resto on it. I haven't touched this thing. Let's shake all the scale out of it, and then the idea is to get some mechanical means of reducing that scale down to where acid would really work good on it. So I just got a little bit of soap and water. We're using Dawn Crisp Apple. You can use any type of detergent you want in there. Fill a little bit of water in there. Lead fishing weight split shot works really good. We're just using some ammo for a slingshot today. That's what I could find, and that's what's easy. After you do this for about 2 weeks, actually we're going to let this soak for about 3 hours. I've heard you can use nuts and bolts, but they may dent the tank if it's weak through here. We don't want to get anything small down in there. So this is going to release all the scale, and then we'll go and give it an acid wash with some phosphoric or muriatic acid, and then we'll give it a seal. So come on back, check out the next run. I don't think we'll be able to see anything from this angle yet, but you know, it's pretty nasty in there. So we'll have round 2 of this video after we dump it. You'll come back now.